Hi, my name is Guy Racine. This is my brother Itai, the biggest car guy I know and our in-house inventor. Our father Michael always pushes us forward, sometimes a little too much. Together we have created Enicar Connected, a great tool to modernize classic cars and hot rod. Now that the world's slowing down, we have some time to show you what we love to do. This is Enicar Garage. Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining. Last time we finished the work on the doors by installing new custom-made panels. Today we're going to take another step forwards towards modernizing the truck by installing a brand new Vintage Air HVAC system. We have a lot of experience with Vintage Air. They're a great company, they have a great product, and we've always received fast, reliable, and professional assistance from them.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. We got the unit a couple of days ago from them, and it has everything you need for a nice and easy install. An evaporator, the ducts, the wiring harness, and we also got louvers and a condenser to fit on the front of the truck.
Itai, I think the first thing we need to do is find a good location to install the unit in the cabin. The Willys truck offers a very limited area for the installation of the unit behind the dash. That's where we're going to do it anyway.
We actually already did the first test fit and saw that we need to separate the blower from the evaporator and make some custom tubing for it.
Sounds like a complex process, but it's going to be an easy job.
Yeah, well, let's get to it.
So we have the bracket templates ready and it's time to fabricate them from sheet metal. Before placing the evaporator in its place, it's a good idea to connect all peripheral elements that will be hard to reach once the unit is installed. In our case, it was mainly the defrost ducts and the wiper motor that was actually moved from the right side to the left side. Once we decided to separate the blower from the evaporator, new adapters were needed in order to connect the two modules and the ducts. To make this task easy, we used a 3D printer. We will discuss this process in depth in the next episode. Stay tuned. Hey Ty, where are we standing?
I'm wrapping it up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a small chat about the center console?
Now's a good time.
Let's do it. So Itai, thinking of the center console, my first gut feel is to have that the nicest way to do it will be having an element that will go from in between the chairs and will flow all the way up to the dash, and this will contain all the elements that we want to put in the center console, and it will also create a flowing feel of the cabin. What are the elements that you want to put in the truck?
The 10-inch unit, of course, screen,
Of course.
and 3 gauges, the speedo, fuel and temperature, and a glove box instead of the one that the vintage air evaporator now takes space. And basically those are the main elements.
So basically screen, gauges, and then if we have some space, then a compartment here for random stuff, cell phones, etc. You know, we can actually if we'll have an opening here, we can actually have a screen that will be connected to a motor that will be connected to the Enicar Connected system, and we can raise and lower, actually open and close the compartment with the Enicar system.
That's a great idea, but you're complicating it again.
C'est la vie.
Well, let's start measuring and see if it fits all.
Let's go ahead. Next on Enicar Garage. With the cabin taking shape and all the electrical modules installed, it's time for some fun stuff. It's time for the center console. Using 3D printing technology, design and fabrication is a breeze, and the result, phenomenal. Join us to see how the guys handle it all. Just like that, we're one step away from installing the Enicar Connected system.